Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload videos into Snapchat. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the Snapchat apps. Okay, so on Snapchat, you'll be directed to the camera menu first when you open the app. So this is a rear camera on my phone, and here if you want to upload a video from your gallery, you can just click on this photo icon at the bottom left corner and then choose the videos that you want to upload. For example, in here I'm going to just select a video, for example this one. You can just choose a video, and in here you can add sticker tags or filter if you want to, but you can just upload it right away. You can go to the story or click on send to, and in here you can just here choose if you want to reach millions of Snapchatter. You can choose to upload it into Spotlight, but if you want to just create a story, you can choose this one, my story for public or friends only. So for example, I'm going to just upload it to my friends, and here you can click on the send button. Now it's sending. Just wait until the send process is done. You can see at the top it's still processing. You can just wait until the process is done. You can see here the process. So there are 3 clips because my video is a little bit long. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can upload videos into Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.